welcome to BA 131 Module 10. In this module, we are continuing with business and social media, government and immigration terminology. So we do not have a separate PowerPoint because the instructions for each assignment are within each section. You have the introduction, the video lecture, a class exercise, homework, and we have the quiz for which we have the study guide in Module 9 and a summary of Module 10. So go ahead and read through the introduction here. It is all explained clearly here. So read through here and remember that we're not just translating words, not just avoiding mistakes. Now we are making informed, intentional decisions. The video lecture will be here. Again, there's no PowerPoint for this module. For class exercise 10, look at the introduction of what we are doing, the concept to continue learning and to strengthen. For the instructions for each of these terms, complete the task below. You have the terms post, story, reel, influencer, follower, engagement, link in bio, go live, sign up, log in. For each term, provide your translation choice. Whether you keep it in English, you adapt it to a Spanish equivalent, or avoid it and provide a better alternative. Number 2, your preferred translation if applicable. If you select to adapt or avoid, provide the Spanish term you would use, the context application, and your justification. And you turn in a Word document. To preserve the clear organization, use the numbered terms above from the instructions and submit your file as your last name underscore first name underscore CE10, class exercise 10. And just as a reminder that in professional translation, there is not always one correct answer. What matters is your ability to make informed, defensible decisions based on the context and the audience. For homework 10, you have a written media translation of a social media post and, again, your translation strategy. Go ahead and read through the introduction. You're going to translate this source text and read through the translation strategy. And your submission requirements here, you have 2 parts, the actual translation and your response. And again, this is the file format for your assignment for homework 10. And remember that a professional translation is not just accurate, it is intentional. And this assignment is designed to help you think like a translator who makes informed decisions, not just direct translations. Google can do that. Many applications can do that. You are not Google, you are a person. And if we are to survive in this AI world, we have to be better than just an automatic translation. We have to think, we have to reason, and we have to be informed about the decisions that we make. And here is the quiz. You have 200 points. You have 60 minutes. You will not need nearly as much. It's only 20 questions worth 10 points each. And this is a summary of Module 10. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a wonderful week.